Okay, I request the students to raise your hands so that I'll be able to ask you. And since we have done the lesson now, I mean, it would be difficult for you to quickly answer them. I shall help out with I shall give you some clues so that you'll be able to answer them. So those who have got a chance today, please lower your hands so that others also will get a chance. Okay, Shanta CK Bhagini and Praveen Kulkarni.
Hari Om Mahodaya.
Hari Om. One of you can ask the question and one other student can answer, and we'll switch the roles when we go to the next slide.
Jagadguruhu ka.
Jagadguruhu Sri Krishna.
Very good. Jagadguruhu Sri Krishna. These questions are very simple. If you have heard the lesson, most of them you will be able to answer. Okay.
Sri Krishna kutra ajayata.
Sri Krishna Madhuraya.
Very good.
Karagrahe Jataha.
Very good. Mathurayam Karagrihe Ajayata. Ajayata means again, this is also same as Jataha, equivalent to Jataha, but this is a Kriya Pada Rupa. That's the only thing. Okay. Jayate is the word. Ajayata is Langlakar of Atmanepadi. Okay. So don't worry about it. Ajayata is equivalent to Jataha. You can remember that. Okay.
Kamsaha kaha.
Kamsaha Sri Krishnasya Matulaha.
Very good. Sri Krishnasya Matulaha Kamsaha.
Sri Krishna kimartham bhuvam avatarati.
Daitya Hananaya Eva Sri Krishna Bhuvanam Avatirnaha.
Very good. Sri Krishna Daitya Hananaya Bhuvam Avatarati. Bhuvam Avatarati. Okay. Very good. Now we'll switch the roles. Bhagini, you can ask the question.
Vayam Sri Krishna Janmotsavam Kada Acharamaha.
Can you answer?
Vayam Sri Krishna Utsavaha Shravana Mase
Krishna Pakshe Ashtamyam.
Ashtamyam.
Okay, I've given the answer, but I think you tried very well. So Shravana Mase Krishna Pakshe Ashtamyam
Vayam Janmotsavam Acharama.
Acharamaha. Very good, very good. Okay.
Sri Krishnasya Mata Pitarau Kau.
Devaki Vasudevu Sri Krishnasya Mata Pitarau.
Very good. You can tell it that way also. Mata Pitarau Devaki Vasudevu. Or if you want, you can split and also write Mata Devaki Pita Vasudevaha. So both are correct. Okay.
Kamsaha Bhaginim Kutra Nayadisma.
Kamsaha Bhaginim Karagruhe Nayatisma.
No. Before that, before taking to Karagraha, he was taking her to her in-laws place. Shvashura Graham.
Shvashura Gruha. Kamsaha Bhaginim Shvashura Gruham Nayatisma.
Yes, because if you remember the context or the paragraph, Nayatisma, Tasmin Samaye Kim Bhavati, what will happen at that time? Akashavani Bhavati, Akashavani Shruta. And after that, he will put them in the prison. Okay, very good. Next one.
Sri Krishnasya Dayaya Kim Bhavati.
What all is possible with the compassion of Sri Krishna? Yes.
Sri Krishnasya Dayaya Pangum Langayati Girim Mukha Karoti Vachalam. Okay,
so we will rephrase and write it correctly. Sri Krishnasya Dayaya Kim Bhavati is the question. So Mukaha Vachalaha Bhavati. Okay, so a dumb person will become speakable, or basically one who speaks a lot. Bhavati, and then Panguhu Girim Langhayati. Okay, so he will be able to cross the mountain or Girim or Parvatam, etc. Yes, next question.
Sri Krishnasya Janmasthanam Kim.
Sri Krishnasya Janmasthanam Mathuraya Karagruham.
Very good. Mathurayam Karagraham. Very good.
Mathurayam Karagraham.
Yes.
Sri Krishna Kasya Samrakshaka Asti.
Sri Krishna
Sanatana Dharmas.
That's right. Sanatana Dharmasya Samrakshaka.
Sanatana Dharmasya Samrakshaka. Asti.
Asti. I have not just put here. Samrakshakah asti. Yeah, we need to add asti here. So that answers the first main, which is answered in one line in Sanskritam. Okay. Dhanyawadaha Praveen Mohodaya and Shanta Bhagini. Both of you have
ధన్యవాదాలు మహోదయ.
ధన్యవాదాలు.
మహోదయ.
Dhanyawadaha. Okay, so these questions are very simple. I mean, if you read the conversations multiple times, you will be able to get the answers to these. Okay, we should proceed next to the further mains. So this is fill in the blanks. Let me see who can answer. Priyadarshini Bhagini, can you try answering these?
Yes. Atha eva tam
This was there in the sentence, but okay. What will we call him? Atha eva tam dash iti kathayanti.
Krishnasya
This is another name for Krishna only. Okay, so okay, Vasudevah.
Vasudevah iti kathayanti. Okay.
Because Vasudevasya sutaha, hence he is called Vasudevah. Vasudevah iti kathayanti. Okay, next. Tasya dash apara.
Karuna
Or equivalent word.
Kripaya.
No. Kripa apara, you can say. Not Kripaya is not needed. Kripa apara or Karuna apara. Or here in the book, what we have learned is Daya. Daya. Okay, what you said is equivalent, but Daya is the word which is there, so we'll have to use it. Daya apara. Very good. Dash api girim arohati. Dash langhayate girim. That shloka, if you remember, you can.
Panguhu api girim arohati.
Yes, Panguhu api girim arohati. Very good. Tena yaha dharmaha rakshitaha sa eva dash. Same as the last answer. Actually, I mean in the last main. Dash. What dharma we call this as?
Sa eva. Can you please tell me the meaning? Tena yaha dharmaha rakshitaha.
Okay. Yes, very good. So Tena yaha dharmaha rakshitaha. The dharma which has been protected by Shri Krishna, that itself is called. That is the question. Yes, very good.
Sanatana dharma.
That is right. Sanatana dharmaha is the answer. Dhanyawadaha Priyadarshini Bhagini. Well answered. Okay, we should proceed next. So this main would be much simpler. Kalyan Mohodaya, can you answer these?
Yes, Namo Namah, sir.
Namaste.
Vijatiyam padam
Vijatiyam padam chitva likhata is choose the odd man out. Okay.
Shri Krishna Vasudeva. Govinda.
Why? So, there are three words which are meaning the same.
Oh, sorry, sir. It is Vasudeva.
Why?
Sri Krishna, Vasudeva, and Govinda mean the same.
You told the wrong word, but Vasudevaha is the answer actually. Vasudevaha is the father of Krishna. Vasudevaha means also Krishna. Vasudev Krishna is something which is right. Shri Krishna, Vasudeva, and Govinda is the same. Vasudeva is a different person, or basically father of Shri Krishna. So hence that is the odd man out. Okay, can you try the next one?
Very subtle difference.
Yeah.
Sa is a pronoun and others are avyaya.
Very good.
Vaishyaha, Mitram, Shurita, Mitra. Mitra is in another vibhakti.
Mitra is the right answer, but not because of it is another vibhakti. Mitram means friend. Vayasyaha also friend. Suhrad also friend. Mitraha means son god. If you remember, Mitraha and Mitram. That is the difference.
Oh, yeah.
So
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Next one.
Bhavati, Prapayati, Avatarati, Kathayanti. Kathayanti, sir, because it's in third Bahuvachanam.
This is in Bahuvachana and all the other three are in Ekavachana.
Ekavach.
Yes, very good. Dhanyawadaha, Kalyan
Thank you.
Mahodaya. Well answered.
Dhanyawad.
We shall go to the next main. Okay. I would, sorry. Okay. Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini, can you answer this? Choose the fourth word. Basically, based on a relation that is there in the first and second, we need to find out the what is there for fourth word. Okay. Bhavati is Kriya Padam. Kamsaha is. Bhuvaneshwari Bhagini, if you are speaking, I'm unable to hear you. Unable to hear you. Not sure what is the issue. I shall ask one more student. Please check your phone connectivity or something. Okay. So Ashwija Udupa, can you answer these?
Namapadah.
Namapadam. Okay.
Padam.
Kriyapadam, Namapadam. Okay. Cha is an avyayam. Saha is
Sarvanamapadam.
Sarvanamapadam or Sarvanama, or you can also just say Namapadam. It is also fine. Okay. Good. Chandraha Induhu. Chandraha means Induhu. Suryaha, any another word for Surya?
Mitraha.
Mitraha. Very good. Krishnaya Chaturthi Vibhakti. Vasudevam, which Vibhakti?
Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Very good. Dvitiya Vibhakti. Dhanyawadaha. Well answered.
Dhanyavatam.
Okay, we should proceed further. Okay, Sandhim Vibhajya Nama Likhata. So let us see. Sanat JS.
Namo Namo Mode.
Namaste.
Vivaha plus Anantaram.
Not Anantaram, Anantaram. Okay,
Vivaha plus Anantaram. Savarna Dirgha Sandhi.
very good.
Janma plus Utsava. Janmotsavaha. Vruddhi Sandhi.
Which Sandhi?
Vruddhi Sandhi.
No. Vruddhi means what? Aikara or Aukara should come. Here Okara is there. So which is the other Sandhi?
Guna Sandhi. Sorry.
Yes, yes. Guna Sandhi. That's right. Next one. Jayantyutsavaha.
Jayantaha plus Utsavaha.
No. Jayantaha, if it is there, then how it will become Jayantyu? Utsavaha is the second word. That is correct. Yakara has come. That means to say it is Yan Sandhi. Now we will trace back. In place of Yakara, it should be Ikara. Right? So Jayant Utsavaha is the word. Now Yakara will change to Ikara. Then it becomes Jayanti and Utsavaha. Okay? Jayanti and Utsavaha. So Yan Sandhi. Okay. The last one. Kamsa Chanuradayaha. Can you try?
Kamsa Chanura plus Adayaha.
Very good. Kamsa Chanura and Adayaha Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. Right. Dhanyawadaha, San Mahodaya. Well answered. Sure. So keep practicing these sandhis. So that is very much required and important. Okay. So okay. Let us go to the next main. Jai Shri Bhagini.
Yeah. Iteras vachana.
Yeah.
Tasya tayo
Right.
tasya tayoho tasu. 1 minute. Sorry.
So practice. You need to practice more the shabdas.
Yeah.
Tayoho tesham.
Tesham. Sorry. Tasya tayoho tesham.
Yes. So this is very important. So as a general instruction to all the students, please keep practicing the shabdas. Ramaha, Ramo, Ramaha. Even though you are comfortable, you think you know about it, but still practice it. Because when we ask certain vibhakti directly, it should be, you should be spontaneous enough to tell that. Okay. Yeah. Let us try the next one. Dash Durjanaha.
Durjana, Durjanaha, Durjanau, Durjanaha.
Very good.
Nayati, Strilinga. Nayati.
Nayati is similar to karoti or pathati.
Karoti.
Pathati.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Patati nayataha.
Very good.
Patati patataha patanti nayanti.
Very good.
Prabhavena.
Hmm.
Prabhavena.
Similar to Ramena.
Ramena. Rama. Prabhabhyam.
Prabhavabhyam.
Prabhavabhyam.
Hmm.
Prabhabihi.
Ramaihi. Okay, Prabhavai.
Prabhavaihi.
Okay. So yeah, please practice these shabdas. This is very important. Okay.
Sure.
Dhanyawadaha Bhalini. Okay. So please take learning the shabdas very seriously, and please practice it as much as possible. So on a daily basis, if you practice, it's the best. Okay. You'll be able to answer these questions without even a slight doubt, iota of a doubt. Okay. So okay, we'll go to the next main. Sridevi N. Can you tell the Paryaya Padam Likhata? Write the synonyms, meanings in Sanskrit. Sridevi and Bhagini, please unmute yourself and you can speak. Okay. Venkateshan Sundar, Mahodaya, can you answer these?
Namo Namaha, Mahodaya. Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
Mahodaya, I raised my hand because I got about 4 or 5 doubts. But anyway, I'll try to answer these ones.
Please answer this. Later, I shall ask for the questions.
Utsavaha.
Try to answer this because we may not be knowing it, but you can remember from what other words are there. I shall help with the first one. Utsavaha I shall help because this is something which not everyone would be aware of. So it is Parva. We would have heard.
Parva, Maha.
Yeah, Parva or Maha. These are the words which can be used for Utsava.
Thank you. Mitram, Suhrud.
Very good. Suhrud, Vayasya, any of this is
Yes,
fine.
yeah. Giri, Parvataha.
Yes, Parvataha.
Achalaha.
Achalaha is one more word which we can use. Yes, Vivahaha.
Vivahaha, Kalyanaha.
Very good. Kalyanaha is also fine. Parinayaha is another word which is usually used. Parinayaha.
When I say Kalyanaha, is it Kalyanaha or Kalyanam?
So some of the words actually have both endings, like Kalyanaha and Kalyanam also is possible. So like for example, Rukmini Kalyanam, when it is basically referring to a particular event or something like that, it becomes Kalyanam, but Kalyanaha so is also right.
Daya, Karuna.
Yes, Daya, Kripa, Karuna, all these are fine. Sure. Dhanyawadaha.
The same way, sir. I always get the doubt whether it is Jayanti or Ikara or Ikara. Jayanti.
It is Jayanti, Ikara only. So that is why in the Sandhi.
Any Ikara word, Ikara or Ikara, it always confuses me a lot.
So it's not just for you, but for most of the students, because in Sanskritam we have both Ikarantaha Strilingaha and also Ikarantaha Strilingaha. Unlike for Akaranta, Akara is only Pullinga, Akaranta is the only Strilinga. There's no Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. Okay, but in Ikaranta we have both Ikaranta and Ikaranta. Also we have Strilinga Shabdas like Matihi, Kritihi. All these are Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdas. Ikaranta is like Nadi, Gauri, Jayanti, etc. are Ikaranta. So only best way to look up is to use a dictionary to check which anta it is or what is a pratipadikam, etc.
Sir, I found a mistake, if you don't mind. I found a mistake in one of the sentences in the lesson. Okay. Can I mention that now, please?
Yes, you can mention that if it's quick, and then we'll proceed.
Yeah. Jata matrasya.
Right.
Tasya divya sishoho prabhavena.
Right.
That is the sentence given in the lesson. But the previous sentence, it refers to Devaki Vasudeva or Vasudeva Devakya. Okay. Right. So it should be Tayoho rather than Tasya, because we say Divya Sishoho.
Tasya Jata. So here, so basically Tasya is referring to Shishoho. Tasya Shri Krishnasya. Basically, it is referring to Shishu and not Devaki Vasudevo. Okay.
Jatamatrasya tasya. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
That is how
Okay,
it is.
sir.
It's not a mistake.
Thank you.
It is referring
Thank you.
to Krishna only. Okay, sure. Dhanyawadaha.
Thank you.
Okay, so we'll proceed further. Okay, we'll do this Viruddharthaka Padani and then Padanam Artham Likata in English quickly. Harin Mehta. Harin Mehta, can you please unmute and speak?
Hi, Mohdaya, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Oh, sorry. Viruddharthaka padam likata durjanah sajjanah
Very good.
satyam anrutam asatya.
Satyam, Asatyam. Yeah, we can keep it simple.
Okay.
But yeah, Anratam is also fine. But yeah, Asatyam is simpler. Or Mithya is also another word which you can use. Satyam Mithya. Okay. Next. Dharmaha.
Dharmah adharmah
Very good.
hitaya vinashaya.
Hitaya, Vinashaya can also be used, but Ahitaya is another word. Both are correct. Vinashaya also we can use actually. Okay. Yeah. Can you also answer the next main?
Yeah, sure. Padanam artham likata mukaha.
In English, these are the words that you need to write in English. Meanings in English.
Mukaha, the one who cannot speak, right? Dumb.
Dumb. Yeah.
Panguhu, disabled.
Disabled.
Handicap.
Yeah, I can actually, yeah, because there's no exact word in English. Even I searched very dictionaries as well. Lame is also is not a right word actually, I would say. Limp is another one which can be used, or cripple is another word which we can use, but nothing will actually directly substitute for panguhu actually. But anyway, we will leave with that. Okay. Or disabled also we can, disabled by leg or something like that we can put. Yeah. Karagraham.
Karagraham, prison.
Right.
Matulaha, maternal uncle.
Yes, very good. Sure. Dhanyawadaha, Mahoday.
Dhanyawad.
Okay, so we shall see the. Okay, so with that, we shall probably conclude doing exercises today. So I shall give one homework. So please note carefully. I shall be uploading the questions of the translation exercises. Okay, which is Anuvada Abhyasaha to translate. I would like you to try out these. There are 20 questions in this. So one is to translate from Sanskritam to English or Kannada, and then one more is the another main is to translate from English to Sanskritam. Okay, so this translation exercise. So put together there are 20, 10, 10, 10. There are 4 mains, so 40 questions are there. I would like you to please try out these. Okay. However, we have completed Sri Krishna's basically Mitrayoha Sambhashanam exercises. I shall upload this Anuvada Abhyasaha in the homework or basically the exam corner, and I would like you to please try out these translations. We shall discuss in our next class on this. Okay. With that, we shall conclude today's class. Now I shall open up for Q&A. So I'm just lowering everyone's hands. Those who have questions, please raise your hands.